11:52 AM Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mascotte to Groveland to Hillsborough River State Park, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Apopka, Ocoee, Winter Garden, Groveland, and Mascotte. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Lake, Florida.